Caitlin. And this is me, murderer. And we're gonna make a bubble in, so we need half a cup of water, 1.5 cup of oil, some Alka-Seltzer, and a clear jar. And make sure you break it in half like this. Nice and. Okay, I want to do
Pull the jar closer.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. So how many drops are you putting in there?
I did 4.
4 total. So you're using what colors?
Blue and red.
What will that make? What color will that make?
Purple.
Purple.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
So go ahead. What is the next step?
You pour it in this jar. Pour it in the water. Me?
Make sure you pour it slowly.
I want my sister to do it. Yeah, but... Oh my gosh, it's purple. Can I do the... I said I'm gonna do the full one while you do the half. You could do it first. Since I'm small. Oh my gosh.
Will you please move the empty glass jar out of the way? Move the other one out of the way too, please. All right. So now we wait for just a tiny bit to let all of the oil and the water settle.
Before we put in the Alka-Seltzer.
Okay. Can we put that jar in the middle, please?
I don't want to touch the sticky oil.
Okay. So our next step is go ahead and take the broken Alka-Seltzer out of the bag. And we're going to...
your next step is taking the Alka-Seltzer out of the bag.
And then we're going to put in slowly and watch.
Can I do this one? Can I do? Oh my god. Can we do 2?
One at a time.
Okay.
Dump the whole thing out of the bag.
I want to do it. Let's see. I don't want it to splash me or baby. I don't want it to splash me. That's why.
That is so cool. You want to try something new? This is not part of the script, but go ahead and take another bag out of the Alka-Seltzer box. And then go ahead and open it.
How?
Just tear it apart, just like.
I don't want it to splash me. Wow, that was so cool.
Yeah, so you get
It's
one,
bubbly.
and then Matt get one, and then you can break it and put it in there.
Whoa.
And you see all of the bubbles that are fizzing up. Wow.
Can we touch it? Is it disgusting?
It's pretty slimy.
I
when you
just
touch-
taste it.
No, don't taste it, baby.
Does it taste good?
Well, there you have it.
Does it glow in the dark?
It does, and it will glow in the dark if we put a black light on there, but we don't have a black light, so it's not going to glow in the dark. Okay.
Remember to subscribe our video on another channel and hit the button.
What did she say?
The like button.